How to rank on Google using SEO. Have you taken the time to learn about SEO? But how do you get a web page to rank in Google now? A page can be ranked in Google in a variety of ways. So, here's the checklist for you. This checklist is meant to serve as an SEO framework. And it doesn't cover every case in depth. Instead, it provides a fundamental overview of how to rank a website from beginning to end, so you may build your own method. EAT, exercise authority. To establish a website's authority and trustworthiness, Google employs a number of ranking signals. When developing your content, many of these requirements are difficult to control. You have complete control over these trust and authority signals, as well as the editorial standards of your writing. As a result, it's encouraging to see Google's inquiries for website owners concerning its Panda algorithms and EAT standards. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.